at a glance, here's your 347 small block Ford. Your description is combination. It has got the Holley manifold. It's got Holley Terminator X fuel management, great system, custom grind hydraulic roller. We've got the rear sump oil pan on it. Instead of our gas head, it's got the Eagle cranking rods and our custom DSS Pistons rotating kit. Got the blacked out March. Make sure the alternator charges for you. Go in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,500, 398 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 409, peak horsepower 420. Rate at 425, got a front end on that's usually about 10 or 15, so it runs good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a couple other things. See if your engine find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card full of technical information. Highly recommend watching it. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have your engine number, some other specs. If you need something from us, that engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over, it's got a QR code. That will take you to some more tech stuff. So recommend watch all this. Have a great day.